The Asian golden weaver, Plotius hypoxanthus, is a species of bird in the family Plosidae. It is found in Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical seasonally wet or flooded lowland. The Asian golden weaver is a medium-sized bird with yellow and black upper parts, along with yellow underparts. The breeding male is generally bright yellow with a black mask. Females, non-breeding males, and young birds are dull-coloured. Asian golden weavers are herbivores and feed, mainly on seeds, but during breeding they supplement their diet with insects. There are 3 weaver birds in Thailand: the Asian gold weaver, the street weaver and the Baya weaver. They breed in small colonies, and the nest is initially created by the male and completed with the assistance of the female. The nest is a rounded structure with a side entrance and woven from thin strips of grass or palm leaves. Nests are firmly attached to vegetation over water or very swampy ground, often less than 1 meter above the surface, usually in reeds or bulrushes. In the wetlands near my house, I found this bush next to the road with a colony of Asian yellow weavers. There is not much traffic, but they also appeared not to be bothered by the passing motorcycles and cars. Nest building starts with a simple knot, a very important knot because later the entire nest hangs on this knot. The male then first builds a ring, which later becomes the entrance and then the spherical nest. Here you can clearly see the architectural progression of the nest building of a weaver bird in South Africa. The females watch the nest building of the males from a distance. When she sees a nest that she approves of, she flies to the nest for a thorough inspection. After all, her and her young's lives depend on his nest building. The nest must be sturdy and watertight. The average clutch size ranges from 2 to 3 eggs, and these eggs often have a greyish-white colour. Incubation is done by the female only, and upon hatching, the chicks are fed mainly by the female, with occasional assistance by the male.